Hi, this is Tony Sedgwick, Coffee Buddies, yet again. Here we are as part of the Coffee Buddies community. We had a fantastic event yesterday on target engagement, and we've got lots more events coming up. And as part of our community, we like to introduce you to new, interesting people. And we've got one of those new, interesting people who we'd really like to introduce you to, called Brian. So Brian, maybe you could introduce yourself and say what you do, where you are as well.
Great. Well, thank you very much, Tony. Firstly, because it's Coffee Buddies, I do have, my cup here. It is almost the size of a human head.
Cheers. So, fantastic.
I knew you would like that. Yeah. So my name is Brian Culley. I'm the CEO of Lineage Cell Therapeutics. We're a growing cell therapy company based out here in Southern California, specifically Carlsbad, which is just north of San Diego. And really happy to be here with you today.
Fantastic. And maybe just give us a little bit more color to, are you a public company? Are you a private company? Where are you in your journey?
Yeah, so I joined Lineage about 2.5 years ago. It is a publicly listed company. We have a value, it varies of course, but 300 to 400 million US. And what we do is we manufacture specific cell types and transplant them to the body in order to treat various diseases and conditions. So for example, we can manufacture retina cells to treat certain retina diseases. We can manufacture spinal cord cells to treat, to aid recovery in spinal cord injury. And we can manufacture one of the immune cells, dendritic cells, and use those to help fight solid tumor cancers.
Fantastic. And it sounds like San Diego is a hot place to work. I mean, maybe just give us a little bit of color about what it is, other than the beautiful weather and the surroundings, which is fab. But what else? Why is it a great place to hang out?
Yeah, San Diego does have a lot to offer. The healthcare, medical, biotech communities, they really thrive out here. There's a tremendous amount of innovation in the San Diego area. It's consistently ranked as one of the top few places to work in terms of, especially for newer technologies. Very strong with computer science. We've got facilities like the Scripps Research Institute, the Salk Institute, University of California, San Diego, and many others, too many to mention. Supercomputing centers. I mean, it really is a wonderful place. And it also brings to people a real sense of community and collaboration. You don't have people who feel like they're fighting over capital, and access to capital. It's a very collaborative and positive environment to work. And yes, it's also typically warm and sunny, which maybe is part of the overall equation.
Fantastic. And do you have a particular desire to connect to anyone in our European community? Is it a case of you need customers? Is it a case of is there anyone you'd like to meet? Is there anyone who views this you'd think, oh my goodness, they're the people I want to talk to?
Yeah, well, we have I think a duty. We're one of the leading clinically advanced companies in cell therapy and cell transplantation. And, our duty and responsibility is to demonstrate that this new technology, this new branch of medicine can be delivered safely and effectively to patients, and that it's a promising area of research that deserves attention and excitement. And so for us, it really is just communicating that message, going beyond even just the discrete work that we do in our particular areas of concern, but also more generally showing that the transplantation of whole cells may be able to drive clinical outcomes that are superior to some of the things that we have seen with small molecules or antibodies in certain situations. And I think it's going to be an important field and enjoy explosive growth. So for us, it really is about awareness and communication, and hopefully excitement comes along with that.
My goodness, well, I'm excited. I think it's fantastic. Fantastic, Brian. It's so nice to meet you. I mean, if you want to contact Brian, you can either go to our app, speak to Graham, find Brian directly, and perhaps Brian will be coming to one of our events very soon. So thanks again, Brian. Thanks again to all the Coffee Buddies viewers. Keep going and let's meet again. See you soon. Bye for now.
I was just going to add to that. Well, hopefully we've got our San Diego event in association with BIOCOM on the 31st of March. So we very much hope to see Brian there, even though I haven't quite confirmed it yet. So thanks a lot, Brian, and
you bet.
Bye for now.
Bye for now. Ciao, ciao.